How's she going, boys? We're still at her. Yesterday was a big day. We got the door installed. Thanks a lot for Derek for helping us out with that one. And today we're going to start putting some flashing around the doors, some of that flexible flashing, whatever you call it. I don't know. Flexible flashing. That's what we're going to put around the door. And start putting some boards back on the outside. We're going to do the outside first, then we'll go finish the inside. So another day, another dollar. Let's get at her. So I've got all the siding on the camp, as rugged as it looks. That's what happens. What I'm going to do now is I need to put bats on it. Now, when I was building my camp, I put board and batten on, and I didn't like the big bats, you know, like you see board and batten, and what they do is they take the board part that they're going to build the building out of, or clad the building with. For example, this is 6 inches. Sometimes they just cut it in half and use that as bats, right? I didn't like the thickness of it. I wanted it to be thinner. I don't know, just that's me. Whether that's a good idea or not, I know one thing, cutting hemlock that thin, it gets right twisty right quick. So anyways, what I need to do is I need to cut some bats. That's what I'm trying to tell you. So what I have here is some of the scraps from cutting out to do the wall board and whatnot. So I have enough scraps here. I figured I needed about 64 feet of bats. And I got enough scrap here, I should be able to get 78 feet, so that ought to do me because some of the pieces will be cut and whatnot. So, because I was cutting originally when I was building the camp, I cut my bats out of a piece of 1x6. I ripped it in thirds, so there's about 2 inches, just about 2 inches wide, as close as I could get. And then I resawed it down the middle, so out of one 8-foot stick, I could get 6 bats or 48 feet of bats, right? So that seemed to me like a good idea. Although it's a little bit of time on the saw, and it's noisy and dusty, ta-da-da-da-da-da. But anyways, I'm going to set my saw to 2 inches. I'm going to do some ripping here. I've got a couple of 8-foot pieces that are just a little bit longer than, or a little bit wider than 2 inches. I've got another piece here that is just 2 inches, and then I've got a piece of scrap or a piece of cut off 1x6. So I'm going to rip this down to 2 inches and then resaw it to make some bats. So here we go. Oh yeah, my buddy. Alexa, start the vac. So, you know, because the hemlock is so dusty, a lot of sawdust and stuff, and I'm going to put my face shield on for this job. There we go. Now I'm going to raise the blade as high as I can so that I can clear the 2 inches. Well, I don't need it that high, I guess. But with that, ought to do it. And I need to set this for a little bit less than ½ an inch so I can get a ½ inch on both sides. Alexa, turn off the vac. Alright, so just as quick as that, here we have a bundle of bats. So I'm going to start putting those on now. So, the end of another long day. I got the boards and the bats on there. And we'll put the lights in later. I won't do that today. But it was a long day, but everything went together pretty good. So thanks for watching. Hope you liked it. Thumbs up me. Don't forget to subscribe. Now, be good and subscribe. And we'll talk to you. Anyways, we're continuing this series again with the next episode, and in the next episode we'll be moving back inside to start putting the trim and the pine boards back up on the wall, insulate around the cavities that we opened up, and insulate around the door. So hope you join us.